Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing essentials, your Apple ID, password, and proof of purchase. Once ready, open the iPhone Watch app and choose the watch you want to remove. Tap Unpair Apple Watch. This both creates a backup and erases the device. That's why it's critical. When prompted, enter your Apple ID password to turn off activation lock. Do this now so the watch is wiped clean and ready for the next steps. If you don't have the paired iPhone, sign into iCloud. Go to Find My, pick all devices, then select the watch and choose Remove from Account. That releases activation lock. If you've lost your Apple ID password, begin account recovery or reset the password before continuing, because activation lock ties to that account. For a used watch, contact the seller and request removal from their iCloud. Proof of purchase speeds this up. These steps address the common middle stage blockers. Once the watch is erased or removed from the previous account, power it on and follow the on-screen setup prompts. Pair it to your iPhone and sign in with your Apple ID so features and health data can sync. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled during setup. If activation lock still appears, there's one key troubleshooting step. Contact Apple support and provide the original receipt or proof of purchase. They can verify ownership and...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.